Okay, the giver, chapters 12 to 15. We've done 9 to 11. Now we're just going to continue. You know how the game setting works, right? We've done it before. How to play. There are 3 different types of games in this giver summary. Answer the question, multiple choice, and complete the word. We have all of them. Are you ready? What change does Jonas notice about Fiona? What change? Remember, there was a change that you saw in Fiona, yes? Sorry? Shh. Her hair changed color, is that right? What color? Not brown, not exactly brown. Red. Okay, which memory can make Jonas see all colors? Hint, the sky. What is it? You're right. There you go. So it's a rainbow. Continue. How does he try to make Asher see beyond? Remember, there's 3 things. Put his hands on his shoulder, and what else? On the flowers. Well done. Jonas makes him look at flowers, hold his shoulders, and tries to transmit the memory of color. Which of these memories were not transmitted to Jonas so far? A. The elephant gets killed. B. The giver's wife. C. Jonas feels sunburn. Or D. Jonas experiences war. So which one did not happen? B. Okay, he did not see the giver's wife in a memory. Okay, he said we saw everything else. Which memory does Gabriel receive? The sail. Okay. It's like, you know what the sail is on a boat? What does the giver say to Jonas after giving him the memory of war?
I had to do it.
A. Are you alright? B. I had to do it. C. Forgive me. Or D. Thank you, Jonas. C. There you go. It's C. Forgive me. Okay, that's the end.